What is the capital city of Japan? Answer: C. Tokyo. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: B. Mars. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Answer: D. Pacific Ocean. In which country would you find the ancient city of Petra? Answer: B. Jordan. What is the official currency of the European Union? Answer: B. Euro. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: B. Japan. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer: C. Leonardo da Vinci. What is the longest river in the world? Answer: A. Nile River. Which country is famous for the Great Barrier Reef? Answer: D. Australia. What is the smallest country in the world? Answer: D. Vatican City. Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Answer: C. Albert Einstein. What is the capital of Canada? Answer: C. Ottawa. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Answer: B. Africa. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Answer: B. Oxygen. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Answer: D. Portuguese. Which ancient wonder was located in Babylon? Answer: B. The Hanging Gardens. Which country is famous for its fjords? Answer: B. Norway. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer: D. Antarctic Desert. Which famous structure is located in Paris? Answer: B. The Eiffel Tower. What is the primary religion in India? Answer: B. Hinduism.